Hello everyone, welcome to 12th Plus. This is Ashwini with you. If you are in 12th right now, or if you've just passed your 12th and you're confused about what to do next, this video might be the most important one you watch this year. Because AI is growing fast. ChatGPT came and regular content writers lost work. AI started coding and freshers stopped getting hired. Data entry jobs, they're almost gone. Same thing with BPO as well, it's shrinking fast. So the real question is, which career should you choose after 12th where AI cannot take your job or cannot replace you so easily? So today I will share 7 AI-proof careers backed by logic and at the end a free tool to find the best career path for you. So before we get to the careers, let's understand what AI can and cannot do. AI is extremely good at 3 things, that is processing large data, doing repetitive tasks and pattern recognition. Any career based on only these 3 things, that's definitely in danger zone. But AI still cannot do these 3 things quite well. That's human empathy, complex real world decisions and physical hands-on work. The more your career involves these 3, the safer you are. So remember this formula. Now let's look at the 7 careers which we just spoke about. Now the first one is medicine and healthcare. This is the strongest one amongst all the careers. Now doctors, surgeons, nurses, physiotherapists, psychologists, AI will never fully replace them. You need to physically examine a patient, understand their fear and make life or death decisions in seconds. So no AI can do that. Will AI help doctors? Absolutely yes. With diagnosis, scans, medical records, but the doctor will always be a person who's going to take the final call. And here's something most students don't know. Healthcare is one of the fastest growing sectors globally. The demand for doctors, it's not going down, it's only going up. So after 12th, if it is medicine and related allied health courses, you have to give your NEET UG. If you're exploring nursing, physiotherapy, pharmacies, you can do BPT, B Pharma, BSc, there are various courses. So you choose based on your interest and make a final call. Now the second option is law and judiciary. Arguing in a courtroom, convincing a judge, understanding the emotional and social context of a case, these are deeply human skills. AI definitely can do legal research. It can help us in our documentation process. It can help us in drafting the documents for sure. But standing in front of a judge and fighting a criminal case, that's a human job to do justice. And with new fields like cyber law, AI ethics and digital rights emerging, lawyers who understand technology will be in massive demand. So after 12th, if you're looking at legal careers, you can take up CLAT. It's a 5-year integrated BA LLB program, or there are various other colleges where you can get into LLB course without giving CLAT as well. So the next option is skilled trades and technical professions. This one is the most underrated career on the list, that is skilled trades and technical professions. Something like someone who's skilled, a technician who's skilled in electrical work, solar panel, HVAC, aviation maintenance. These professionals work with their hands. Every situation is different and no robo or no AI can navigate this very easily. And with green energy, EV infrastructure and smart buildings growing, this sector is exploding. So if you're looking at technical courses immediately after 12th, yes, you can take up your diplomas, ITI, Polytechnic, apprenticeships. There are many Skill India programs that's come now, and there are commercial pilot training, drone operations. There are a lot many courses that's available if you're looking forward to these kind of careers. Now the next important career option that you have is psychology and mental health. Now, mental health awareness is growing rapidly in India. Schools need counselors, companies need wellness coaches, hospitals need clinical psychologists. This is one field where an AI chatbot will never be enough because emotions, trauma, and human connection require a real person sitting across from you, talking to you, listening to you, understanding you, and advising. So hence AI can definitely not replace you that easily. So after 12th, if you're looking forward to get into psychology related courses, not typically via the medicine route psychiatrist, then you have to take up, there are many BA courses, BSc courses in psychology. After that, many students we see, they go for their masters to US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, or there are many of them who do a MPhil, or they combine psychology with MBA programs for corporate wellness. There are a lot more options if you're interested in this field. Now, the next important field is creative arts, or let's say creative arts plus technology. Creative fields are an important catch these days. Basic graphic design, AI can do that. Basic content writing, AI handles that too. There are so many tools now for your video editing, cuts, a lot of things that you do. But film direction, architecture, your UX design, brand strategy, game design, AR, VR experiences, this is your unique perspective, your taste, your cultural understanding. That's what matters in creative side. So AI doesn't have taste. You will have to give the prompt, right? So if you're just doing routine work, it's difficult. Definitely AI has already replaced you because there are a lot many tools over there. But if you are creative and you're tech savvy, the designers who use AI to better the outcome or to better the work as a tool cannot be replaced, because creativity is the core now. Every company, every business that's there today needs creative people. Now for this, after 12th, you can explore any degree course, any design course, whatever you wish to, based on which creative side you're interested in, and explore the right skill accordingly. Now the next important option that all of you have is government and defense. That is, we're talking about government jobs and defense services, IAS, IPS, IFS, state PSCs, NDA, CDS. These roles involve making policies for people, dealing with the public, taking real-time decisions on the ground. Data alone is never enough. You need judgment, empathy, and leadership. Now, along with this, you can also explore defense, pilots, naval officers, army commanders. AI isn't replacing any of this. So in India, government jobs still offer unmatched stability, respect, and security. So after 12th, you can complete any graduation and then take your UPSC, state PSC exams. For defense, you have NDA after 12th, CDS after graduation. So there are a lot many options if you are interested on this side. Now the next important career option is entrepreneurship and sales. Now AI cannot start a business. AI cannot build relationships. AI cannot sit across from a client and convince them that this deal is best for you or this deal is right for you. The ability to sell, whether it's a product or a service, will always be valuable. So that's about the 7 careers that you can explore even in the age of AI. Now to conclude, pure data entry, basic accounting without analytics, routine coding without problem solving, the BPO, call center work, and generic content writing, these won't disappear entirely, but entry-level jobs will definitely shrink. If you choose one of these, make sure you add a strong human skill on top: communication, strategy, leadership, or creativity. So one last thing, regardless of which career you choose, focus on building these skills, that is problem solving, creativity, communication, digital literacy, and critical thinking. The reality is that many new careers will continue to emerge in the future. Roles like AI engineers, futurists, prompt engineers, and many others didn't even exist a few years ago. In the future, the most successful people won't be those who avoid AI. The successful people will be the ones who learn to work with AI while keeping their human skills sharp. So these are the 7 AI-proof careers, but the best career for you depends on your interests, strengths, and goals. So if you like this video, share it with your friends who's confused, or subscribe to 12th Plus for more videos that actually help you decide. We will be coming with more videos on more career options. We will speak in detail on medical, that is NEET UG. We will speak in detail on in engineering which specialities are evolving. We are also going to do a lot of creative career sessions on fashion, design, and all that. So don't miss, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you and all the very best.